Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This is a Gelato display with the 20 pen trays inside. So let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length, they are about like a 75 inches wide. And the overall height of the unit is about like a 50.5 inches tall. And the depth of the units, they are about like a 44.5 inches deep. So as we can see, the units are coming with the curved glass at the front. And it's a double layer of this glass to protect you to get a temperature hold. And they have a strip on top of the lid. They are using the chrome covers on it. It's flat. And we can take a look closer to see the back of the units. So when we look in the behind of the units, we do have two sliding access doors at the behind. And for the inner side, we have the pantries. And look in the bottom of the units, we have the ETL sanitation stickers right here. And they do have the power switches and the light switches. And also they do having the temperature controls right here. Important things, they come in with standard plugs, but they were using request for the 220 powers. And we can take closer to see the inner side. For the inner side, we do have a strip lights with LED lights. And also they do have a temperature displays, a small thermometers at these positions right here. And also we're having the pantries inner side. For these pantries, inner side dimensions will be about like a 13 and 1/4 inches long. And about like a 5.5 inches wide. It is about like a 4.5 inches deep. Also, we're looking at the inner side, we can see they have the coils at the front to give you the temperature controls. For the inner side dimensions, entirely depth, it is about like a 32 inches. And the length is about like a 73 inches. For this access, the door sizes, it is about like a 32 inches wide. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.